Hello everyone, I am Ronu Thomre. I welcome all of you in the 5th lecture HTML text level tags from HTML tutorial. In this video, you will be going to learn what is HTML text level tags and different text level tags like bold, italic, underline, strike through, superscript, subscript, strong, emphasis, insert and delete. Let us discuss HTML text level tags. HTML text level tags are used to format the appearance of the text on the web page. The basic idea is to make the web page more attractive by using tags like bold, italic or underline. These elements are used to mark up text inside block level elements. Text level tags, also called as an inline element, does not start on a new line. Also, it will only take up as much width as necessary. Let us discuss the different text level tags one by one. The first tag is bold and italic. To make the text bold, we are using B tag. I tag, that is italic tag, is used to make the unclosed text italic. This is the syntax of B and I tag. Both tags are having starting and ending tag and the content goes between it. The effect will be applied to the content which goes between opening and closing tag. The next tags are underline and strike through tag. For that we are using U and strike tag. The text appears within opening and closing U tag is displayed with underline effect. The text which appears between opening and closing strike tag is displayed with strike through. The syntax of U and strike tag is same as that of bold and italic tag. The next tags are superscript and subscript tag. For that we are using SUP and SUB tag. The SUP tag defines the superscript text. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. It is used to contain characters that should be superscript, such as suffixes of dates or mathematical concepts like raising a number to a power, such as 2 raised to 2. The SUB tag is used to contain characters that should be subscript. It is commonly used for footnotes or chemical formulas such as H2O. The subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in smaller font. The syntax of superscript and subscript tag is also same as that of other text level tags. The next tags are strong and emphasis. The strong tag is used to define text with strong importance. The content inside is typically displayed in bold. The next is EM, that is emphasis tag, is used to define emphasized text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. The syntax of strong and emphasis tag is same as that of other text level tags like opening and closing tag, and the content goes in between. The next tags are insert and delete tag. For insert we are using INS tag, which shows the content that has been inserted into a document. The DEL, that is delete tag, shows text that has been deleted from web page. The content of INS element is usually underlined, while the content of DEL tag is usually has a line through it. The syntax is same as that of other text level tags. Let us demonstrate the different text level tags. This is one HTML file with basic structure. I have provided the title as HTML text level tags, and under body section I have included one block level elements like p tag and added one paragraph in it. Now I want to add one heading to this web page. So for that we are using h1 tag, and under h1 tag we're going to add the heading as demonstration of different text level tags. Save the changes and check the web page. After refreshing, the web page look like this. Now I want to make the hypertext markup language in bold case. So for that we are using b tag. So to make the hypertext markup language in bold case, we are using b tag. Now save the changes and go to web page. After refreshing web page, the hypertext markup language appears in bold case. Now I want to make HTML in italic case. Go to program and add I tag for HTML. Also I want to provide underline to standard markup language. So for that we are using U tag. Opening and closing U tag. Save the changes, go to web page. Whenever refreshing the web page, the HTML appears in italic case and underline appears to standard markup language. I want to provide strike through effect to other materials into visual and audible web pages. So go to program and provide the strike tag to other material into visible and audible web page. Opening and closing strike. Save the changes, go to web page. Now this other material into visible and audible web page, applied the strike. I want to provide the superscript effect to the more attractive word. So for that we are using the SUP tag. Again provide subscript effect to format word. So for that we are using the SUB tag. Save the web page, go to web browser to check the result. Now refresh the web page. Now here subscript effect is applied to format word and superscript effect is applied to the more attractive text. Now I want to provide the strong effect to bold word. So I am going to use the strong keyword, opening and closing bracket, then em tag applied to italic and ins to underline word. Save the changes and go to web page. Refresh the web page. Now the strong effect is applied to bold, then emphasize is applied to italic word and insert is applied to the underline word. As I have provided the insert tag, it will mark the word in underline case. Here I want to delete the block level element. So for that I am using del delete tag. Opening and closing delete tag. After refreshing, the strike through effect is applied to the block level element. So this is what all about different text level tags from HTML. Thank you for watching.